Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you how to delete comments on YouTube on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, you need to go to the YouTube app on your iPhone or iPad. Further in the bottom right corner or top right corner, open your account. We have to log into our account. Next, we need to find Settings. Open Manage All History. Now we have a Google account open, and we can see the history. We click on Interactions. Here we click on Comments and Replies. And here we have all the comments we've left. Let's say yesterday I left a comment like this. On October 8th, I left this happy to help please. On October 6th, I wrote yes thank you for your comments and so on. If you want to delete a comment, you click on this cross and it will be automatically deleted. But if you liked and helped this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Goodbye.